Nice chicken pit, look at that. Well seasoned and nice, you know. Pick up on the grill right now. Yeah, nice, pick up on the grill right now. So I'm gonna peeps. Yeah man. Peeps, look at this cow. Stem on there. Peeps, look on the one there. Ugly, not true. I'm not gonna these. Next time, go video again. I don't know when I see the video here because I'm recently uploaded a ram goat video. So what I do because I'm one job 2 ram goat video back to back. I'm gonna drop some video. Stay tuned for that. And remember, watch ask us so I make a revenue. Give video a like, share. Some lovely bed food here, guys. Yeah man, love the down here crack. You know, birthday time it drop. Yeah man, lovely roast bed food. This is no curry goat. Mad. Yeah man, it's bed food and step up that nice curry gravy. Yeah man. See the piece? Yeah, I eat. Go and eat man, pay time I come man. Yeah man, pay time I come now. Yeah man guys, see what going there? Can't show you lower part because it's gone. See, them bars them big. Yeah man. See the peeps. Yeah man. Can't show too much you know. I don't know YouTube and the like certain things already. Yeah man, I heard that. One of them bars, guys. One of them big already. You know, and see the next one here. Man, black and white still, so hopefully YouTube good with that, you know. So you're not no blood and all that. Yeah man. So we'll get this skin and thing. Skin thick, you don't know. Scrape it, soup with the balls and the foot and the head and them thing there, you know. Yeah man. So I see me guys, we have more work to do because you know finish skin it and you know finish in a good and them thing they get, so enough more work to do. The fire here now, have to do the scrape head and all that. That is it. So stay tuned peeps. Remember, like the video, leave a comment and share. Yeah man, share. Drink a jelly in the piece that's on hot. Oh, nice, refreshing. So peeps, I'm going to fire now for head and thing. Yeah man, cause I don't know. The skin and waist. These days, after put skin and soup, soup, gummy and nice. Yeah man, so fire my feet now. That's why I go on there. Head on the fire roast and bet on the fire and roast same time. Got rain and fall still, so one time before rain start fall. Yeah man, so go and do a thing. The roast beef, I listen to these. Take a little magazine season panny. Little cayenne pepper. Yeah man. You can cook, big up. See my use cayenne pepper here. Alright. Yeah man peeps, so see me here. All cut up and thing. In a 4/4. Yeah man. Maybe they not see red and pretty. Maybe it's black and white it. You know, but yeah man, I got that. So with here, I scrape the foot and the head. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Don't come in close up, let's see, closer. And it's all about. I'm coming. Alright, peeps, so make sure I meat here, so see the meat here, you know. So the balls, but I have to clean up still. One of the balls this. So the meat. So the skin, we scrape and things, so them are all soup material. So the skin, so the head and foot. Cut up. And these are the book and the tripe and things, so I get them a scald enough to remove all bacteria. Yeah man. So you start back up so all of the skin and the head and foot. Not this. But it's a piece of the head. Right? So yeah man, it's enough soup material to this. It's enough soup material this. Yeah man, so now say cook out in the video. So remember, like, comment, share, subscribe, so stay tuned for say cook out.